Dear grade 5 students, today's lesson is about suffixes. In this video, you will learn about special groups of letters that appear at the end of the words. Just like with the prefixes, suffixes can help you understand the meaning of a word. Suffixes are a group of letters that are fixed or attached to the end of the words. What is a suffix? A suffix is a piece of a word that you add to the end of a word, the root word. So the suffix changes the meaning of the word. For example, the root word is hope and with the suffix full, so the word becomes hopeful. So as we can see here in this example, the suffix is attached or fixed at the end of the word hope. Suffixes are a few letters added to a root word. These letters give the word a new ending. They change the meaning of the root word. It can change the meaning a little or a lot. Let's look at the word suffix itself. The prefix in the word suffix is suf, meaning sub, below, or after. And fix means to attach. So you are adding or attaching a set of letters after a word. So a suffix is a group of letters added to the end of words. Let's take a look at some suffixes to see how you can use them to help you understand the meaning of words. So suffixes come after base or root words. For example, the suffix er means a person who or an action or process, such as carpenter or crier. The suffix er means more, so luckier. Full, the suffix full, ful, means full of, like colorful or full of colors. Less means without, like penniless. So penniless without pennies or without money. The suffix ly means in a certain way, like slowly. So how the turtle walks, it walks slowly. The suffix y means full of, for example, sleepy. So he's full of sleep, he wants to sleep. NESS means a state or condition, like happiness or sadness. These are examples of suffixes like NESS, ness, or meant, full, less, or ly. We also have ing, which means in a certain way. Also ly means in a certain way or condition or state. Er means the someone who, like doer. Able means able to be or able to do something. Less, without, and full, full of. So we have here examples of root words with suffixes such as fearless, colorful, growable, slowly, snowy, happiness. We can say that the snail walks slowly. The rainbow is colorful. Kindness, fearless, so without fear. Let's take a look at the suffix full, which means full of, like in the word useful. So full means full of, so the word use with the suffix full means full of use. Careful, when you are careful, it means that you are full of care or you are cautious. Painful, it means that something that is full of pain. Beautiful, when you say that your mother is beautiful, it means that your mother is full of beauty. Examples on the suffix er, like doer, the one who do or the one who does. Teacher, the one who teaches. Baker, the one who bakes. Dancer, the one who dances. Painter, the one who paints. And worker, the one who works. So truthful, when you are full of truth. Painful, when you are full of pain. Let's take a look at the suffix less, which means without. In the root word use with the suffix less, it gives us a new word which is useless. It means without a use. It is the opposite of useful. So we said that the meaning of useful is full of use or with use. So here useless is the opposite. For example, in this picture, the hammer is useless for this project. So you don't need the hammer in order to paint or to draw. Another example is the root word fear with the suffix less. So it gives us a new word which is fearless. We can say that the girl is fearless of swimming or of the sea, which means that she doesn't fear swimming or she is not afraid of swimming or of the sea. So as I said before, full and less, these two suffixes, have an opposite meaning. So full, the suffix full means full of, and less means without. For example, when I say useless, so this hammer is useless for this project. You cannot use the hammer in order to draw or to paint. However, when I say useful, the brush here is useful for this project. You may use it in order to paint or to draw. Remember that a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Oranges symbolize wealth. In the word symbolize, the set of letters IZE is a suffix added at the end of the word symbol. And remember that the set of letters or the suffix IZE means to make. So symbolize means to make a symbol. A suffix can change the meaning of a word. When peeled off a section of the fruit, the suffix ion changes the meaning of the word sect. So sect means a group of people, while section means a part or portion of something. So here, the suffix can change the meaning of a word. A suffix can change the part of speech of a word. Brady watched with curiosity, as when and the others opened their envelopes, the suffix ity changes the adjective curious into a noun. Let's take a look at some suffixes and their meaning, and how these suffixes can change the part of speech of the word in order to give us a new word. So the suffix en means make. For example, short, which is an adjective, when we add the suffix en to the word short, it gives us shorten. So the part of speech of this word is a verb. So shorten is a verb. With the suffix en, it means to make something short. The suffix ize means to make, like in the word symbol. So symbol is a noun. When we add ize to the word symbol, it gives us symbolize, which is a new word, and it is a verb. So ize with symbol, it means to make a symbol. The suffix nes means a state of. For example, we have here the word happy, which is an adjective. When we add the suffix nes to the word happy, it gives us happiness. Examine here that the y has been deleted or replaced by an I, and then we added nes. And now the word happiness is a noun. ION is an act or process. In the word celebrate, which is a verb, if we added ION at the end of the word celebrate, then it gives us a new word, which is celebration, and it is a noun. The last one, which is ity, this suffix means a state of. Like in the word curious, which is an adjective, if we added the ity suffix at the end of the word curious, then it gives us a new word, which is curiosity. And the suffix ity changes the word curious from an adjective into a noun, which is curiosity.